Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be seeing if we can't get this old mini bike working again. We have a brand new motor, a 208cc 6.5 horse. I do have a clutch and chain somewhere from my old setup. So here it is out of the box. This brand new motor. Sorry about the noise from the propane heater. Okay, so I got all of the bolts in. Now I'm just gonna come down here, throw some nuts on those bolts. Okay, now with nuts and washers on the bottom, we can snip this cover that's gonna hold the keyway onto the crankshaft. You just gotta watch out because there is this little piece that can come out. That's why they do that. While I'm in here, I may as well try and connect this up. Okay, once you've got it plugged into the one empty socket, we are going to take the ground from the switch and we are just going to ground it up on the tank like this. I'm just going to remove that bolt. Okay, we're going to remove this guy. Take your clutch. Yes, this thing is old. I've used it on many bikes. It's probably pretty oh, she's 3/4 shaft. I'm going to have to go pull it off another bike. We're just going to steal this clutch off this little four-wheeler that's been sitting in my back shop for years. Okay, she's not coming off of there, so we are just going to take a pry bar. Kind of figured I was going to need one, so blammo, just like that. There you go. Okay, now we're going to take this clutch and we're going to kind of put it on backwards as to what most people would think. If it will. Do I have a keyway in there? Let's try and line up the keyway into the shaft a little bit. Oh, there you go. And now we can take our Allen key and tighten this up. Now it's tightened. Now it's just time to put the chain on, put some fluids in it, and attach the throttle cable, and I think we're laughing. Oh, and pump up the back tire. She's a little flat. Okay, next we're going to throw the chain on, and then connect the chain with the master link. Okay guys, got everything done on it. Throttle's hooked up and everything. Just need to fill it with gas, and she should be good. Yeah, I know it's a real tight fit because it's such a big motor, but it should come off. I've had this motor on here before. Okay, here goes the first start. I do also have this exhaust off of another bike that I could put on it. Out of some sheet metal, built a quick thing to save the motor from getting dirty. I'll give you the other line just in case you think it's that. Your counter down, bud.
3, 2, 1.